Okay guys, let's play some ace fishing. Just gotta wait for that white screen to vanish. Let's play some ace fishing. I'm already up to level 8, so it's not the very start of it. Anyways, you can't see my face, but you can hear my voice. Hopefully you can't hear my family in the background, because if I do, they'll make me very annoyed. Let's do this. Let's do this. Checking fishing equipment. Oh yeah, the loading screen. It's not as bad as when I first got the game. It took forever to load. Can you believe this is 2020? Not sure when I last did this. I think it was a few years ago. Nothing important. Is it still recording? Yep, still recording. Had myself a nice little video for YouTube. Even it's not what people are expecting. Before, off camera, I just caught an Atlantic green parrotfish, a male one, so it's not the fish I was searching for. The boss strike is a female version of it. Come on, hurry up and load. I want to go fishing. God, I hate when it's slow. Sometimes it loads for a bit, which is really annoying. You can see I'm already at level 8. 7 earn in-game bucks, and yeah. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this thing. See if we can get a rare fish. Wow. Ooh, perfect. Big fish bonus 15. Yeah, very nice. I caught myself another fish. I don't know what this one's going to be. Probably a new species, because I just recently unlocked this. My best friend is trying to get my attention. I feel really bad that I keep ignoring the messages, but I just don't feel like role-playing at the moment. I'm sure she'll understand what I'm saying when she watches this. What have I got? Big spotted grunter. I've already caught this fish before today. It's only worth 1 star, so it's not a fish that I really want to catch very often. Oh yeah, I can start crafting now. Javelin grunter lore. Nice. Oh, thought I'd get a big fish bonus there. Let's see what we're gonna get next. Is this still recording? Oh, 3 minutes. Focus on the fish, not the video. That might be the same damn species if I'm unlucky. Same species? Oh, come on! I don't want the same species! Oh, Joker's voice is a bit sore at the moment. Because I did it a lot just before, so probably won't be doing that very often. I'm glad I'm having a simple dinner tonight. All I'm having are toasted sandwiches. What's going on here? Oh yeah. Let's evolve the fishing equipment. Very helpful. You need quite a bit of gold to do that. It's totally worth it. Look! Nice. I got an extra star. Get reward. Power up the wooden rod. Anything to get those powerful fish. Trust me, this game is fun, not boring. It's only boring when you get the fish you don't want. And when you get them several times. Nice one. Hope you can't bloody hear my stepdad in the background. Just ignore him. He's not part of the video. Diamond scale mullet. Okay. So that's probably my next goal. Ooh. Nice. This is not a live stream, so no messages. There'll probably be comments on the YouTube video when I upload it. I'm just gonna see what my friends think of the game. And if they like it, I'll do more of me playing it. But only if they like it, of course. Flatfish. That's a flatfish. I've played this game many times before, so I kind of know what fish to expect. Ooh, he's a tough one. Kind of tough. Yeah, this game's not that difficult. It's the big fish that are difficult to catch. Ooh, I got another, I got a southern flounder. I'm pretty sure it's a new fish. You can even tap the poor fish and make him wiggle. I might just sell them. Wayne cursing in the background. I could have stayed silent for this video, but I chose not to. Ooh! Dang it, I think I missed. Oh well. I've caught the fish anyway. What's this one? Oh great, another big spotted grunter. I guess I'll have to just grunt in frustration. Sorry mate, but you're not really worth that much. See you on the fish market. Oh, come on. Had more of a chance of getting 15%, or whatever it was. Oh boy. What's next? Some fish will get away. So I gotta be aware of that. Until I get a more powerful lure, some fish will get away. I wish he'd reveal himself. See, look, it's high. Ooh. Come on. Ooh, another flounder. Are flounders really that difficult? This fish is difficult. He's trying to fight me, the mongrel. Probably wouldn't be able to catch that with a regular lure. Reel it in. It wasn't really a long battle. Oh, flatfish, 3 stars. I can understand why he was a bit tricky. You beauty. I wonder what happens if I craft this fella. Yeah. I crafted. Now I can sell him. Yeah, I can get some coins. Look how many coins I've earned. I'm only at level 9. Dang it. Oh, it's just 10 minutes. Alright, I might end this soon. Alright, one more catch and then I'll end the video. Hope my friends on YouTube like it, because I'm always doing Joker videos. But I also used to do gaming ones. But those were technically live streams. Maybe tomorrow morning I might do a live stream. You guys might be happy about that. Please note though, I might be playing a bit of this on it. If I do. Is this going to be the same species? I'm probably going to lose this fish. I just know it. Yeah, he got away! He's so pretty too! Do I want to recapture him? Yeah. Try again. I'm determined. If you allow me to do that more often, it'd be easier to capture the mongrel. Oh, come on! Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you enjoyed my 11 minutes of playing Ace Fishing, because if you like it, I will do more videos or live streams with this. Bye!